Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about this gorgeous hair that I am rocking right now. So if you want to learn more about this unit, then make sure you keep on watching.
No. So I choke you down just like a pill.
So I just wanted to talk to you guys about this hair a little bit. I've been wearing this hair for about a week. This hair is from Wondess hair or Wondess hair. I'll leave the name of the company right here, and I'll have a link to where you can grab this hair or just learn more about the company in the information bar down below. The hair that I'm rocking today is called Malaysian Jerry Curly, and I do have it in an 18-inch closure and 4 bundles of 18-inch Jerry Curly hair. This is not my first time wearing Jerry Curly. I think maybe it's like my second time wearing Jerry Curly, but I really like it, you guys. Like, I just love how it looks on me. I don't know, I'm feeling this look. I haven't had curly hair all summer. I think maybe I had it one time in the summer, but it was super duper long and it was just a lot. I actually still have to review that hair, so that review is coming. But I love this length. I love the closure. I know closures are not as trendy right now as they have been in the past, but what I will say about a closure is you make a closure wig, it fits your hair perfectly, and you don't have to use a whole bunch of gel and glue and edges and baby hairs and all of this to just make it lay and look bomb. All I did was literally swoop an edge here, swoop an edge here, and that's literally all I did. I didn't even have to glue this wig down. This wig fits my head perfectly with no gel, no nothing. It's lifting up, like it's lifting up, and it just fits perfectly, and I have no problems with this wig. This wig is not going anywhere. It's not flying off of my head, and my lace is not lifting. You know, if this was a frontal, you got problems if you don't have your whole forehead smacked to your face. And there's nothing wrong with that. I love a good old laid frontal, but I also like to be able to just get into bed at night without washing glue all off of my head. And yes, I take my wigs off every single night, so I like a closure. And this closure is bomb. I bleached the knots. That process was super easy. I used a 10 volume developer, and I used my bleaching powder, my same old W2 bleaching powders, and I love the way it came out. It looks awesome. So I really like this hair, you guys, and you definitely should at least just check it out, because for the summer I was really sleeping on curly hair, and I just love this. I think the closure is just the bomb. Like, I love the closure so much. To get my hair to lay like this and get my curls popping, I did use my Indie Hair. This is their sea salt spray. It's called Catch the Wave, and I love it to give you that tousled curly look with a light hold. It does give you a hold, but it's not super crunchy or anything like that. It's just a light movable hold, and I like it. I really do. I think this wig, I'm going to color it. I'm feeling like either maybe a deep purple or like a ginger orange, a orangey ginger color. I don't know, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what color do you think I should do this hair? Or maybe I should do both. Ooh, that might be gorgeous. Like a purple burnt orange wig. Sis, I just got shook. Like, did you see my face? I was like, oh, I just shook myself. Like, ooh, girl, that might be real cute. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about that. If you're curious about my lip color, let me share with you the colors that I have on my lips. These are from Kiss Me, and these are the Kiss Me collection from Live Glam. I do have the orange shade, which is Crush, and the deep red shade, which is Tease. So these are the 2 lipsticks, and they are from Live Glam. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about this whole look. Like, And I don't know. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions for me that I did not answer in this video, definitely leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social media platforms. Everything is at Jess the Dragoness. And what else? Oh, I have something new and exciting for you guys that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing giveaways at the end of my videos because I just want to give something back to you guys. I just feel so blessed that I'm able to do what I do, and it's all because of you all for watching and spending your time with me. And I just want to show you that I really do appreciate that. So I want to do a giveaway. It's going to be something small, but I just want to do it. So today I will be giving away braiding hair. I don't know if you guys caught my last video. It was a braiding hair video. I will be giving away 3 packs of braiding hair, and I'll show you the hair right here. To enter the giveaway for this giveaway and for all the giveaways at the end of my videos, all you have to do is share this video on any platform that you have, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, whether it be Facebook Messenger. Send a text message sharing my video to your best friend, to somebody that you think it would be helpful for. So whatever way that you are able to share this video, just share it and send me the proof that you shared it, and you will be entered into the giveaway at the end of this video. And I will go ahead and let you all know the winners of each giveaway on my next video. So make sure you guys are watching so that you will know who won the giveaway. And just thank you for all the love and support you guys have shown me, and this is just my little way to give back. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Make sure you entered the giveaway, and best of luck to everyone that is entering, and stay tuned for the slow-mos.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you